Hi everyone, welcome back to Zen Hair Vietnam YouTube channel. I'm Zen. So if you are in hair business, I think you have ever heard about the China hair and the Vietnam hair and the Indian hair before. But have ever you heard about the Burmese hair before? So today we will show you about the Burmese hair. What is the Burmese hair? How is the Burmese hair? And how about the business with the Burmese hair? Hope this video to supply you good information. Maybe you will have a business with Burmese hair in the future. Let's start it. Do you know the Burmese hair was called the sought after hair in the world? Every factory to find this material to make product in the world. So why is called like that? We will find out now. Okay. The Burmese hair cut from donor. We will see the texture. Oh, the texture very soft, very soft. The strength. Oh, strength. Very okay. Not weak as China hair. Very healthy. The silky is not silky as the Indian hair. Not silky. But this hair almost natural texture. I think it's not almost natural texture. This is a completely natural, unprocessing hair. So nice, very nice. One more thing. Smell is okay. The smell is okay. Smell is okay. One more thing. The Burmese hair, very healthy. The cortical intact. So I think this hair you can use for a long time. As long as you take care for hair, the texture is so nice. So to test exactly about the quality of Burmese hair, from last week we just print and color in our factory. You can see that's the blonde hair after coloring. The color is so nice. It's not so sharp as the hair, but it's okay. The texture is still healthy, still silky. Very strong. It's a very okay dear. But the hair is some weakness. Inside the hair has some brown one, some yellow one. So that means in the Burmese hair some has some some dyed hair to mix up. But it's not much, really very small, just few strands only. But I think that's okay. That's very okay. You know the Burmese has a two kind. The first one is the last one, very straightened, and they have the second one. The second one is wavy, a little light wavy. And do you know one secret of Burmese hair is to keep the curl very nice, very good, even though better than Indian hair. So if you buy the wavy, light wavy from Myanmar, you can use for a long time. About the weakness, the Burmese hair has some weakness. You can see the ending is not full, very thin. The short hair, you can see the short hair very much, so much. So I think that's the weakness of Burmese hair. And one more thing, there are so many sources of Burmese hair in the world. So be careful when you order from Myanmar for Burmese hair, because Myanmar is so famous for cheater, for scammer. So when you import from Myanmar, please be careful, okay? About the costing of hair, the Myanmar hair not so expensive, just from the $100 to $800 only. And the Burmese hair was in the capital of Myanmar, that's the Yangon city. There are a lot of Burmese hair company in the Yangon. And do you know why we just have a material of Burmese hair only? Because the Burmese hair company in Myanmar no have a completely product. They just have a material. They cut off from donor and sell only. They don't make hair. They don't make good production. Almost Myanmar hair to export to China and to USA and South American so much. Every month they export about 100,000 kilogram. Oh, that is so much hair. So how do you think about the Burmese hair? I think the quality very okay. If you want to start business with the Burmese hair, you can start now. But be careful, okay? If you have any more information about the Burmese hair, please don't hesitate to comment here. Then we will discuss more about the Burmese hair, okay? Thank you for watching my video. I hope this video to support you have a good business in the future with the hair. And the next video we will compare the Burmese hair and the Vietnam hair with the better hair in the world. Hope you watching my next video, this video also. Okay, thank you for watching.